These are the spelling words for Book 6, Unit 11. First of all, I would like you to write the plural of echo. The plural of echo. Next, I would like you to write the plural of fief. The plural of fief. Three, I would like you to write the plural of potato. The plural of potato. 4, I would like you to write the plural of roof. The plural of roof. 5, I would like you to write the plural of goose. Plural of goose. 6, I would like you to write the plural of woman. The plural of woman. 7, I would like you to write the plural of loaf. The plural of loaf. 8, I would like you to write the plural of deer, and that is the animal, deer. 9, I would like you to write jaundice. He looked at me with a jaundiced eye. The word is jaundiced. 10, the word is turquoise. He wore a turquoise jumper to our meeting. The word is turquoise. 11, the word is vermilion. She was wearing a jacket of bright vermilion. The word is vermilion. And your final word, the 12th word, is fuchsia. She wears a fuchsia dress. The word is fuchsia.